The fans that I have are Antec. These are 3 prongs. So you'll realize that the cable that it comes with has 2 prongs inside of them. These are extension fan headers if you don't have enough in your motherboard. This is a Molex cable. You could easily find this in your power supply unit. You just snack that in. And then you put this one in just like that. I show you in the video, so don't worry. But yeah, if you have 3 holes like this, you want to find CHA underscore fan 1, for example. So that would be chassis fan 1. You could put this in your motherboard, or you could put this in your cable extender. Okay, so right there, I'll zoom in so you guys can see. You want to find that and a few others that'll say 2, 3, 4, you know, all the numbers, all that stuff. All you want to do is plug your one cable into the 3 prongs. You could leave the 4th one out if your cable is like that. If it is not like that and it has 4 holes instead of 3, like mine does, then you could just plug it fully in and you'll be fine. This is going to be your exhaust fan. This is the inside part. Just line it up like this, flip it over. After you got your fans installed into your bracket, you want to put your bracket back into place. Make sure that you have your cable out of the way. So if you have a hole back here, just push it through for now. It's not going to damage anything, don't worry. So here's the part you want to connect your fan into, your fan header. So you want to find your fan header first. Here's one of them. So you want to have this side with the bridges up into here. So just do this, just like that, until you hear it click. And then you want to find the other one if you have another one. Okay, so after you're done, this is what it should look like. This is going to be your exhaust. You'll be getting air from the vents on the outside. You're gonna push it in, and then your CPU is gonna be cooled off, your RAM's gonna be cooled off, your graphics card's gonna be cooled off. Here's the finished product. These are gonna be exhaust, so all the heat will rise out. And then here's my intake. The cool air will come in, cool off the rest of the components. And then we have our already pre-installed exhaust fan there. And we already have our other pre-installed intake fan at the bottom. Hopefully you guys enjoyed the video. If you have any questions about motherboards or anything about computers, I will try my absolute best to help and make a video. I'm trying to make this as beginner friendly as possible, and over the time it'll, for intermediate people, advanced users, it's gonna be all around sorts of things. So stick with me if you want to find out more information about computers. If you enjoy the content, please leave a like, comment, subscribe if you would like to. We have a Discord server if you want to join it. Hopefully you guys have a good night or day. See ya.